Looking for an affordable Corvette? Check this one out. 2000 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Now, this is a removable roof car, obviously, as you can see, and it does come with both roofs. This is actually a very nicely optioned 2000. As you can see, it has the polished aluminum wheels. Would have been one of the options included when this car was ordered back in 2000. Now, approximately 78,000 miles, a little over 78,000 miles, and you can tell this thing is well taken care of. I'm going to point out a couple things on it. First of all, take a look at this front nose cone. Not full of rock chips, nicks, scratches. Yeah, are you going to find a few in there for 78,000? But I've seen cars with 15, 20,000. The nose doesn't look as good as it does on this one. And it does help. This light pewter metallic paint always stands up well, shows well. And of course with the black interior, great color combination. Now if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this car, check out the engine bay, trunk interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see it. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Underneath the hood, of course, LS1 5.7 liter Chevy V8. Those bulletproof V8s from Chevy that they have in their Corvettes. That is paired with the 4L60 automatic transmission. Should be a 4-speed with overdrive. Now in 2000, one of the things that was introduced was the key fob that did not necessarily work in proximity like the one that was introduced in 1993. It had the buttons on it. You could click it to unlock the doors, pop the rear hatch, lock the doors, and it worked with the buttons by pushing them. Before that was that proximity fob. Like I said, introduced in 93. Nobody was disappointed to see that thing go away. So, also dual climate control. Looking in here, the dual climate control, electronic dual climate control, was also introduced in 2000. So some nice innovative options on this car, and this one has both of those. Now, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This has had an aftermarket exhaust added to it. It's Corsa brand exhaust, and it sounds good. One little thing that I want to show you on this car, and I've never seen it on these Vettes before. I want to give you an idea how well this car was taken care of. First of all, back here underneath this compartment right here, there is a front end cover for it. So if you wanted to put that in any long trips, so you didn't get the front chipped up or a bunch of bugs on it. But look at this. Somebody's taking the time. This is actually a protector that just rolled out of the back there. Protector to put on the rear for when you're unloading and loading this, so you don't scratch up the rear compartment. Have not seen one of these, and I have been around a lot of Corvettes. Smart idea, and it just rolls up nicely out of the way. I'm going to flip it back there for the time being while I'm doing this video. Of course, your sunshade, a little privacy in the back. Now, I did mention this does have both tops. You got the smoke transparent one, and you have the solid one. You have a car cover. All that's going with this car. Just took them out. We're doing the pictures in the video, so you can see the trunk space, interior, and everything there. Now remember, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a description. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Phone number 507-386-1726. And just look it up and down this car. It's not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Like I said, you want to get into a sports car without breaking the bank. You want some performance. You want some fun driving. Here it is. All right, black interior, Bose speakers. Another options of Bose speakers. You got the memory seating package, power mirrors, locks, windows. This one has dual power seats, driver and passenger. Heads-up display, another option. Of course, cruise. AM/FM cassette up here. It does have the 12 CD changer in the trunk. Well, that would have been another option. So as you can start to add up the options, it is a very nicely loaded Corvette. Now listen to this at startup, because you get a little rumble out of it with that Corsa exhaust. Has a little bite to it. So there's your exact miles, 78,565. A lot of miles of driving left in this one, no doubt about that. Dash doesn't show any age from heat or sun fade, anything like that. No warning indicators, just the seatbelt light since I don't have it on. Alright. Slip around to the back of this thing here, let's run. Good sounding car at idle. You know it's going to sound good under throttle. Alright, one of the options I missed too that I forgot about, I noticed earlier, it does have the power telescopic wheel. One of the ones I was thinking of. I think I saw that earlier. Yep. On the side where the key is. So you do have this telescopic wheel in power. I think I've kind of hit on all the options. Besides the standard ones, of course, this is what it came with. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop this hood so you can take a peek under there, see how it looks. Alright, hood popped. And one thing I wanted to mention earlier that I forgot, this does have a clean Carfax. The car does have a clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Everything's good there. We have a clean title for the car. Everything is ready to go for you to start enjoying. And here's a 5.7 liter LS1 underneath there. You can see how tidy this is. You can tell this car hasn't been out much rain, climate, weather. It's well taken care of. Here how smooth that runs. Like I said, we've had other Vettes in that had less miles in it, not been this clean or appeared to be this well taken care of. Even the Tiger Paw Uniroyals, also in great shape in this car. It's ready to go, folks. So if you're looking for a 2000 Chevrolet Corvette without breaking the bank, here you go. Nice sports car for the money these C5s are becoming. Phone number 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. You can check this car out. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.